Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. Here how I make my homemade yogurt. I have a milk here from Costco. It says organic whole milk, ultra pasteurized. If it says pasteurized, then you don't have to boil your milk all the way, but you have to heat it up. Then I will add my homemade yogurt here. Then I will cover this pot for 10 hours. Then we have yogurt. It's been 10 hours now. Let's see what happened to our yogurt. I keep it covered like that. Alright. Looks like it's ready. Let's see. This is our yogurt now. I can make cheese from this, like farmer's cheese. Or I can keep as a yogurt. Put it in a jar. Organic homemade yogurt. Here how I make farmer's cheese. I put yogurt. I have cheesecloths. Then I will grab these and I will hang this. Hold it like that at least 3 hours. Then you have farmer's cheese. Here how I found that technique of hanging the yogurt so it becomes farmer's cheese. You see dripping? Start dripping.